Guys, welcome to Science and Science Only. Today we are going to see about the interesting chatbot called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a prototype artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, which specializes in dialogue. The chatbot is a large language model fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning solutions and techniques. It is based on OpenAI's GPT 3.5 model, an improved version of GPT-3. ChatGPT was launched on November 2022 and has garnered attention from its detailed responses and articulate answers, although its factual accuracy has been criticized. Today, we are going to see about how to use ChatGPT Playground and also connect the ChatGPT programmatically in Python. Stay tuned. Okay, let's see how to use ChatGPT by signing in and also using the Playground. Let me just share my screen. I'm going to log in to ChatGPT. So in this case, you can use any username and password, or otherwise you can just sign up if you are very new to OpenAI. I am going to create an account. I'm not a robot, and I'm going. Okay, so I need to verify it. I'm just signing in, and yeah, you can tell a bit about yourself, and you can give a number. So here are some of the examples that they have given us, like explain quantum computing in simple terms, getting creative ideas for 10-year-old's birthday, or how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? So we have wide variety of questions in different fields, and yes, so these are the capabilities that remembers what user said earlier in the conversation and also allow users to provide follow-up corrections, trying to decline inappropriate requests, and also limitations. What are the limitations? May occasionally generate incorrect information, or may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased contents, which is terrific, and limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Okay, so that doesn't know anything about the events after 2021. So here there are some dark modes and OpenAI Discord updates and frequently asked questions, and you can log out and you can also create a new thread. So let me just go to create or just give, okay, define NLP. Since I'm going to talk about the NLP perspective, so I'm asking this chatbot to say, what is NLP? So here it's displaying the answers. Natural language processing is a subfield of linguistics, computer science, and artificial intelligence that deals with the interactions between the computer and human natural languages. It focuses on making it possible for computers to read, understand, and generate human language with the goal of enabling better human-computer communication and interactions. Some common applications of NLP include machine translation, sentiment analysis, and text summarization. Okay, that's cool. Let me just give the machine a bunch of text to summarize, right? So that's the text summarization. I'm going to give that task to the chat GPT. So this is a sample PDF file which I have searched online. I'm just going to copy the whole text. So I'm asking ChatGPT to summarize the text. I have just copied the whole PDF and just pasted it here. Let's see what it comes up with. I'm just going to hit enter. So it's taking time to summarize the text, but looks like giving a very meaningful summary. Yeah, so that's it. Like it has given just a summary of the whole PDF of 5 or 6 pages to 5-line sentences. So PDF 995 is a collection of products that provides a complete solution of creating and publishing documents in the popular PDF format. And the suite includes and offers a range of features including network file saving, custom page sizes, support for digital signatures, encryption, and conversion to HTML and other format. It is free to use and compatible with any applications that allows printing. Sorry, that's very cool. Um, okay, let me just ask some other things like some ideas to celebrate New Year. Let's see what ChatGPT is suggesting for celebrations of New Year. Here are some ideas for celebrating New Year's. Attend a New Year's Eve party or host one at your home. Invite friends and families and play some fun activities such as dancing, karaoke, and or a game night. Watch the New Year's Eve ball drop in Times Square on TV or stream it online. Many people gather around the world to watch the ball drop and count down to midnight together. Have a New Year's Eve dinner, go to bar, go on a trip, have a quiet night in, attend a New Year's Eve concert or show, have a New Year's Eve picnic, go to fireworks show, make a resolution and set goals for the new year. Many people use New Year as an opportunity to set goals. That's very great. So it has loads of options for us to celebrate the new year. I'm just going to give another question to ChatGPT. Let's see what it's going to give me a Python code to summarize text. Oh, wow. That's great. Here is a sample Python code that uses an NLTK library to summarize a given text. It tokenizes the word and it removes the stop words. It calculates the frequency of each text and also calculate the importance of each sentence in the text. OMG. Sort the sentences by importance. Select the top end sentences as a summary. So that's called extractive summarization. Also, I want to say hi to science and science only audiences. Let's say how ChatGPT say hi to my viewers and subscribers. Say hi to science and science only to channel subscribers and introduce yourself. Hi there, I'm an assistant, large language model trained by OpenAI. I'm here to answer your questions you may have on a wide range of topics. I'm not affiliated with the Science and Science Only YouTube channel, but I'm here to provide you with factual and accurate information to the best of my ability. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will do my best to provide a helpful response. That's great. Okay, let's write the main code for connecting ChatGPT with Python and also display some of the responses from ChatGPT. Here we need ChatGPT library, which is ChatGPT. So run this. So since I have this already, it says that the requirement is already installed. It's very simple lines of code, just 4 lines of code. So from PyChat GPT and import ChatGPT. So after importing it, you might need a session token, which I'm going to tell how to take this session token. And using this session token, you need to create another variable called API, which is ChatGPT of session underscore token. You pass that session token into this, into ChatGPT method, and you might be getting some response, which is response equal to API dot. And in order to send messages from Python to ChatGPT, you need a function called send underscore message. So you pass that whatever that you are interested in. I'm just going to ask define NLP, and I'm going to print the response back. Okay, so that's it. Before running this, you will be needing this session token. Go back to the playground, right click on it and inspect. So you have list of options here where you need to click on application. So once you go to the application, you have cookies, and inside cookies you have the chat OpenAI URL where you click on this one and take the session token, which is available as a key value pair, name value pair. So as you can see, this is a session token, and you just copy this value. That's your session token. Go back to your chat demo, back to your notebook and paste the session token. So after pasting it, you can hit run. So it will automatically ask you for the human verification. So once that's done, so whatever you have given, which is defined NLP, which will be processed here, and you will get the response back. That's processed in the playground, and you get the response back in your notebook, which is the natural language processing is artificial intelligence that focus on enabling computers to understand and interpret and manipulate human language. So that's, let's see, that's how you connect ChatGPT with the Python code. And let's see other examples as well. You can have another response. Copy and paste and see. Okay, let's ideas for New Year goals. So once you hit run, it's going back to ChatGPT and ask this question in the playground, and then you get a response back in the print message. That's how you connect the response. So the main aim of this is to make a number of requests to ChatGPT so that you get a response, for example, summarizing a text or anything. So these are the results we got back from ChatGPT, like start exercising regularly, eat healthier, save money, learn a new skill or hobby, spend more time with friends and family, reduce stress, travel, volunteer, be more environmentally friendly, and develop a good habit. We will see how to summarize a text file. For example, I'm going to just give a bulk of text and ask the API to summarize. Let me just put a sample text here. So I'm going to give this as a sample text for this to summarize. So summarize the text space, comma, you are giving that variable, text variable, which has this big list of lines. So let's see what it comes up with. So you just need to open the text. So that's the result it has come up with. So I hope that's a meaningful summary. I hope you enjoyed this session and also have played with the ChatGPT and also connected ChatGPT to Python using the session token. So in the next video, we are going to see about other NLP techniques, including abstractive or extractive summarization, and also topic modeling and word embedding approaches. So stay tuned for our future videos by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.